Dear students, so today we will find that how to find the ranks in an Excel, right? So let's suppose we want to find the ranks for Alex in science, right? So let's suppose the formula is equal sign rank, and we select about the marks of Alex in science. Let's suppose that is the marks of Alex in science. Okay, this one bracket Alex science comma, and then we only select the marks of the in science, right? And then we have like ascending and descending order. So one is in ascending for it, and zero is for descending. So let's suppose we want to find an ascending, the top ranking. So Alex is on 17th position in science subject, right? Now let's suppose for the George we want to find what is the position of George in maths, right? So rank. So where is the George? Yeah, this is a George, and George has 98 marks. So from ascending, from like it seems to be the top rank students, right? And then we select all the students' marks, comma, and let's suppose this time we go for descending one, right? So it's on 16th position from the downward, right? Okay, and now let's suppose for Ali we find rank, okay, and for Ali position in science is 77 marks, right? And then comma we select for example all the marks of science, or even you can select both maths and science in overall what is the position, and then comma ascending. Okay, and this is 23 position in overall maths and science to all together. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video.